Different types of rat in English with pictures. Standard rat, Dumbo rat, hairless rat, Rex rat, double Rex rat, tailless rat, Manx rat, satin rat, bristlecoat rat, velveteen rat, brown rat, black rat, Polynesian rat, nachtmolle rat, ricefield rat, Norwegian rat, Himalayan field rat, bush rat, Asian house rat, Indian field rat, Gambian pouched rat, Malayan wood rat, Sikkim rat, Hoogerwerfsrat, Sulawesi rat, lesser ricefield rat, Osgood's rat, albino rat, hooded rat, Berkshire rat, capped rat, blazed rat, self rat, agouti rat, blue rat, fawn rat, champagne rat, variegated rat, Dalmatian rat, masked rat, Essex rat, Irish rat, silvered rat, pearl rat, patchwork rat, Martens rat, holly rat,